Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Amsterdam Central and Amsterdam Central, Amsterdam City Center, and we are in Elandsgracht. And welcome to another episode of Life in the Netherlands, episode 2. And we are going to eat Indian food, and we're going to 29 Spices, and we are gonna taste some of very delicious Indian food, because in the Netherlands or in Amsterdam in general, it's so difficult to find a good Indian restaurant or Indian food. So I will bring you with me. So come, let's go eat.
So, here you have pani puri. And here is you have instruction how to eat, because it's very important if you follow the steps how to eat the pani puri. It's important because there is an exact way how to eat, and then you're testing the real flavor of India.
Wow.
Yes?
Okay, thank you very much.
Enjoy.
So I've got the pani puri. So pani puri is like, as he said, it's like one of the oldest snacks in India. So that's like a step 1, 2, 3 before to eat it. So step 1 is take one puri in your hand. So pour in 2 spoonsful of pani. So I think this is the pani. Wait. Like 2, specifically 2. Eat it straight away and all in one bite. Let it explode in your mouth. Wow, it's really good. I haven't had this. It's my first time. What I like about it is this texture. You can taste everything, and then the coriander, of course, and the spiciness. It's really good. So maybe that's why it's like one of their favorite snacks in India. I think it's very good with a beer.
Chicken biryani.
From this beautiful man Dipak.
Hi, Mr.
Yeah,
Chef.
Dipak.
Chef Dipak. I'm Ces from Ces Kitchen.
My two will having this is the one of the best biryani in entire the Holland.
Okay.
I give the 6 years to run the authentic Hyderabad real dum biryani. And then it's like the perfect, the single grain cooking rice.
Yeah.
The balance of the each spices.
Yeah.
You might don't find everywhere that dum biryani.
Yeah.
People are selling the biryani, but you can taste the real dum biryani. Like one single flavor from the onion and the cilantro is the perfect blend of the spices.
Yeah, and what I've learned from people like making biryani, you need to respect every grain.
Exactly same, yeah.
Yeah.
That's we respect the person who making, and of course for the food too. Let's see, I'm like a passionate chef.
Yeah.
I've been traveling around the world. Like many years I was in the US. I've been works with the many Michelin star chefs in the US, in Dubai.
Okay, cool.
I works with the like Chef Ali, Chef Guy Ferry.
Oh yeah, I know him.
Yeah, then I was in Jumeirah. I've been like head chef there for a few years.
And why are you here in Amsterdam? It's so cold.
Yeah, that's. I want to make the Indian food to people like the biryani. I want to know the people that what is exactly biryani.
Yes.
I've been to many Indian restaurants around the city.
Yeah.
I don't find that like before when I came like vacation.
Yeah.
I find this is not the real Indian food or
Yeah.
the authentic Indian food. So I meet the people with the Shashank and Muna.
Okay.
And we say okay, take that exact flavor what the people are looking for.
You met them like you were friends, or you just met them here?
No, we met in India.
Wow.
Yeah, actually from the US I went to the vacation.
Yeah.
And then we found these two people there. They were
Like,
looking
oh,
for
let's
chefs.
all go to the Amsterdam.
Yeah, that's happened.
That is so cool. That's a cool story. So you've been open for like 4 months now. So what's the response of people here in the
People are loving those food, mostly the street food, what we call here.
Yes.
29 spices. Most of the spices I make myself here.
Wow,
like,
cool.
Like what do you have? The tikka masala, biryani
Yeah.
spices. I don't like use the packet spices.
Of course.
So I make my own spices. I grind,
That's
I
secret.
roast.
That's secret.
Exactly, that is the perfect secret.
I know. I heard that every family in India has
Yeah.
secret.
Secret blend of spices.
Yes.
And I inspired from my mom
Yeah.
to cooking. Like I took like 10 years. I mean, since 10 years I'm in the Horeca field.
Oh, wow. So your inspiration mostly is your mother.
Yeah. My mother, my grandmother, they inspired me for the food.
Okay. So you get criticism from your mother if you.
Always. Even now too.
That who is your inspiration when it comes to cooking? Aside from mother, of course.
Of course, the first of all, in like when I went outside the India, my first job, I worked in the Jumeirah
Yeah.
with the chef Ali and 2 Michelin star chef
Yeah.
from the London. I worked with him, and then of course when I worked with him, I really go to the profession.
Yeah.
I approach him, and then I learn a lot of things rather
Yeah.
than my mom. My mom taught me how to balance the food,
Yes.
like the spices, and then
That's very
the food,
important, yes.
And then what the professional chefs they taught me what is exactly the kitchen, what is exactly restaurant business,
Yes.
how to handle the people and how to balance the food with the people.
Okay.
That I exactly learned from them.
Okay, chef. I can't wait to dig in with this biryani, and thank you very much for like being in my
Thank
being
you.
in my channel. Thank you very much. I haven't had biryani for like the last like in Asia, I think. So let's see. Oh my god, it's very good. I am enjoying my biryani. It's really good.
Hello, people.
It's good.
Forget what I said about the puri, what was that?
Pani puri.
Pani puri, forget about it. This is never. Biryani all the way.
Yeah. Every grain of rice is respected, like really. And I've like, when I interviewed him a while ago, it was like you see the passion and love he does and on what he do. It's really amazing. And yeah, I hope you can come and try and come and eat. And this is really a proper revelation and a proper Indian restaurant here in Amsterdam. Okay. I enjoyed that biryani very much. It's chicken biryani. So good. So this is where the magic happens. Are you making something, chef?
Yeah, we'll make one of the best dish on our menu. It's called a chili chicken.
Chili chicken. Wow. Okay.
This is well known to everybody around the city
Yeah.
since we opened.
It's one of your like best seller next to the biryani.
Definitely,
Okay.
100% next to the biryani.
Okay. I died with your biryani, chef. I
You like it?
I feel like I went to like heaven for
All
a
the
while.
spices, how the balance of
Yes, I love it. It's not too overly spicy for me. It's just like a kick of spiciness.
that's
It's perfect.
That's we deserve.
Yes.
Normal the vegetable oil,
Yes.
then like it hot in the pans, and then you add some healthy vegetables,
Yes.
some chilies.
So we have some chili.
Chili will get the real spicy flavor to the oil,
Okay.
and then the rest of food.
Do you use only chili? You don't use the red chili?
No red chili.
Okay.
We use some the spices, which is Indo-Chinese spices.
Okay.
But those are some just the canned spices.
So we fry the chili with normal oil, vegetable oil.
Yeah, with oil. Then we got some like a half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste.
Whoa!
Then we add some fresh peppers, and then some fresh red and the green onions.
Love it! And let's being in the kitchen.
Those are the vegetables is just crunchy.
Yeah.
We don't cook it proper like a well done. We
Okay.
just keep it like a 50% cook.
Yes.
So we'll get the chicken is already 100% cooked. The vegetables
That's
is
that's very
crunchy.
important. That's very important.
We have some dark soya. Then some
Chili sauce.
chili sauce. And then the dance of sriracha.
Sriracha.
As we love I think.
Sriracha forever.
Then just toss it for oil. That will get the smoky flavor from the
Yeah.
chicken and the pan.
Wow.
then the pani we have the first green onions. That's my Italian here. The whole full, like your main course.
So this is already done?
Yeah, that's done.
Oh, it smells really good.
That's a quick cooking dish.
It only takes you like roughly like 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, less than 10 minutes.
It's an easy meal. So of course I will put the recipe down in the description box for you to try at home, of course.
That's we have the fresh vegetables, and then we have the freshly coriander, and then the chili chicken.
Thank you. This is the chili chicken from Chef Dipak.
Thank you.
So for our second dish, it's the chili chicken. So I went inside the kitchen. Chef
Dipak.
Chef Dipak made us
Chili chicken.
what?
Chili chicken. And it's delicious.
Chili chicken. Why is like my hand is shaking? It's very, very good, really. Yeah, guys, this is it. Like Life in the Netherlands episode 2. And if you're craving for some good, authentic Indian food, you can come here in 29 Spices. It's located in Elandsgracht. It's like roughly like 10 minutes away from Amsterdam Central, and it's easily accessible and very good service, very good food. I just can't say anything anymore because I'm so full. So that's it, guys. That wraps up my Life in the Netherlands episode 2. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. And of course, everything will be linked down below. And that's it.
You know I'm recording, right?
Oh.